Ahoy mate, I hope everyone is doing fine. This is Counselor and I'm welcoming you all to my trading crew where we are selling to the vast ocean of share market. So if any one of you want to start your business in share market under 10,000 rupees, you first need to download any of the broker application like Angel One, Grow, Zerodha, whatever. For example, I have downloaded the Angel One application. You will see this here on my screen. So as you open any of the broker application, at the on the top left corner you'll see the stock and futures and option and then mutual fund and commodity, etc. What we are gonna do, we are gonna do trade in future and option the intraday under 10,000 rupees. So for that you have to select the futures and option, and then under that you will see the Nifty 50. You have to tap on it. So once you tap on Nifty, you will see the view like this. Here at the top left you will see the name Nifty. Under that you can see NSE, that means National Stock Exchange, and just to the opposite right hand side you will see the price 23,779.75. so that's the exact price where the Nifty 50 is moving right now. Under that you will see minus 217 rupees 0.60, so that's the point market is down by yesterday. And in the middle you will see some kind of graph which is just telling you where the market is moving. So that is it. So you have to look for the chart option here. Once you tap on that little chart option, you will see the similar interface like this. And I'm sure about you that it just started getting stressed, but believe me baby, I'm not gonna let it drown. Alright, so this is called as pot chart of Nifty 50. See here, this is the title bar, and here you can see the recent checklist of your stocks and premium. Beneath that we have another bar. There we have search option. There you can search the stocks, indexes, whatever. Next to it we have time frame. From there you can select the time frame of the candles, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, so on. And then we have candles option there. From there you can select the candles and you can change it from candle to hollow candles and to the line. But let me tell you, the candles are the best, so don't change it. And of course we have indicators. So there are so many indicators in the market, but none of them helps you enough. It is designed to let you know where the market is moving, whether it will go upside or to the downside, but it doesn't make sense all the time. So yeah, you have to do it on your own, but don't worry baby, this counselor is there to guide you in every single step. As of now, look at the left hand side on your screen. This is the toolbar from where you get a lot of tools. So the first one is cross tool. It will come up wherever you will tap on the screen. Second, we have lines. So in this section we have so many lines like trend line, ray line, horizontal line, vertical line, like this. The third one is Fibonacci. Here you have a lot of Fibonacci tool. Fibonacci is kind of ratio used in the whole market and in the universe as well. So we have Fib retracement, trend based, Fib extension, Fib channel, Fib circles, Fib spiral. So many Fib tools are there. Over here we have some patterns. Back in 2019 these patterns were being followed by the market, but nowadays these patterns are not much followed enough. But still you need to study some of the patterns in order to understand market different phases like accumulation, manipulation, consolidation and distribution phases. Some patterns you really need to understand like head and shoulder pattern, triangle patterns, Elliott impulsive wave pattern, Elliott corrective wave patterns. And then we have projection tools. So here you have two very important tool that you have to use every single day. So when you feel like market is going to move to the upside, so you can use long position, and the green box is your profit. If the market is moving through the green box, that means you are in profit, and if the market is moving in the red box, that means you are in loss. Similarly, just opposite, if you want to sell, if you feel like market is going to the downward side, so you can use the short position. And here again the same, if the market is moving inside the green box, that means you are in profit. If the market is moving opposite to the red box, that means you are going to be in loss. Well, this is just a tool. If you set it up on the screen, that doesn't mean you're actually going to buy or sell the stock with your money. This is just for analysis, so that you can mark from where you can set the buying trade and from where you can set the sell trade. Okay, just a position, not actual buying or selling. So let's move forward guys. We have some other tool as well like brush, highlighter, arrow mark and rectangle, circle. So there are so many tools are like that. All the tools you can find here in the toolbar. Okay, so now look at the bottom. You see the time bar, and this is the actual time what's running. And at the right side you can see the prices where the Nifty is moving right now, 23,765. Well, I hope you get it, and if you don't, then watch again. And let me tell you one thing, ladies and all fucking gentlemen, if you feel it risky, then I'm not gonna tell any magical shit. Of course, indeed, it is very risky. And if you feel it is scary, then step back and don't ever come here again, baby.